Whoever gets to the star right there first wins. Alright, bet. How am I going to win, you wonder? Well, it's quite simple. As you know, in space you have no atmosphere to push yourself against. So it's all about ejecting mass to propel forward. The more force you apply to something, the more momentum you give it, the more it returns back to you and the faster you move. Momentum that exhaust gases gain in chemical engine is limited by chemical reaction used. And such engines require a lot of fuel. So what's the problem? Just add more fuel. The problem is that more fuel means more mass means more fuel, and now we're stuck in this cycle forever! Ion engines are much more fuel efficient. Two most popular ones are the gridded thruster and the Hall effect thruster. In gridded thruster, you hit atoms of noble gas like xenon or argon with electrons that move at high speeds from cathode to anode on the walls of the discharge chamber, which ionizes them. The collision knocks the electrons out of the orbits. Once atom loses its electron, it becomes a positive ion. To increase probability of electrons hitting atoms, we put them into a magnetic field, which changes their trajectory. Now that we have a lot of positive ions, otherwise known as cations, just like cats attracted to boxes, cations are attracted to negative grid, which accelerates them. But there's a high chance that ion will hit grid and damage it. So let's add positively charged screen grid to focus ions into holes. Positive charge on grid repels ions from grid itself and instead makes them go through holes. Accelerated ions leave the engine and push it forward. However, ions are charged positively while the engine gains negative charge. If they go back and hit our engine, they will damage it and reduce its efficiency. That's why we shoot electrons, so that they recombine and neutralize ions. Ion engines take a long time to gain speed, but when you're already in space, there's nothing stopping you from accelerating gradually. Instead, they give much more speed in the long run for much less fuel. It seems that someone's out of fuel. Too bad, I win! Oh no, how to turn back? Abandon ship!